Looking to take your productivity to the next level, discover game-changing Google Calendar tips and tricks that will revolutionize the way you manage your time, from seamless scheduling to hidden features that will keep you organized. You won't want to miss these expert insights. Get ready to transform your calendar into a powerful tool for success. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Google Calendar. So firstly, all you have to do is just open your browser and dive into calendar.google.com. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So Google Calendar is a web-based application developed by Google that allows users to create, manage, and share events and appointments. It offers features like reminders, task management, integration with other Google services, and the ability to collaborate with others. Users can access their calendars from various devices, making it a convenient tool for organizing personal and professional schedules. So, firstly, we have here in the top left the main menu. Once you click over it, you will find here this page, as you can see. And we have also calendar, as you can see. So also here you select if you want today, or you select also if you want next week, or you select if you want the next month, as you can see. Then we have here search as well. If you want to search for something, for example, here we have search in active calendars, keywords. So we have here enter a participant, organizer, or creator, enter a location or room, keywords, not content, event. Then we have date, from date to the date. Then we have search about it. All right. Then we have also here a support settings menu, and we have here select if it's day, if you want week, month, year, schedule, or 4 days. All right. Then we have here the option to switch to calendar or switch to task, like that, and you get started and you add your task. Then we have here Google Apps. So we have here all Google Apps, and then we have here my account. You can just get started and create an account. If you already have a Drive or have an email here on your Google, you can just click over Google Calendar and you will find your account is already created. So in the left here we find, if you want to create something, you click over here. For example, you can create event. For example, your friend have a birthday and you don't want to forget his birthday, you have or her birthday. You can just select which you can ask your friend about his birthday, and you select which birthday, the time of his birthday, and you put it here. For example, is it 18 Friday of October, and you have just to put it here. If it comes back the next year, you will find it, and the event you will be remember it. All right. So for example, if I want to select event here, also we have here birthdays, tasks, and other calendars, for example holidays in Morocco. And firstly, in the event you will find here the time. For example, select if it's Saturday October 19, you select the time and you select other things. Then you select here if it's all day, and you select also the time zone. All right. And also you select here if you want daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annual on October 19, and every weekday Monday to Friday. Then we have custom. All right. Then we have here find a time as well. For example, you can just add a guest, and you can use also add Google Meet video conferencing. So also you can add location, a description, or a Google Drive attachment. Then you select here if you are, for example, busy or you are free. Then we have here default visibility. You select public, private as well. Then we have here select the time, for example 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before, or 1 hour before, also 1 day before. Then you add also notification if you want. Then you click over save. All right. So this is it for event. Then we find here on create tasks. Also you can just click over here and you find task. For example, here task, you will find the time. Firstly you select if it's all day, and here we have you select if it's daily, weekly on Saturday, monthly on the third Saturday, annual on October 19, every weekday, and we have custom as well. Then you have here a description, and we have here my tasks, and you click over save. All right. Then we have the next one, which is appointment schedule. We did event and task. So about appointment schedule, you will find this page. So we have here bookable appointment schedule. You can just add a title, appointment duration, how long should each appointment last. For example, select if it's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, 2 hours, and you select custom. When you have a general availability, set when you are regularly available for appointments. You select also here if you want to repeat weekly, does not repeat, or custom. Then you select here the time that you want, the day I mean, and you select the time. For example, to begin with 8 o'clock, and it's gonna be end on, for example, I will select 10 o'clock. It's gonna be 2 hours. Then you can add a date, and here we have schedule window. About this one, you have just to select the maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked. For example, select if it's 60 days or less, or also you can select more. All right, then we have here minimum time before the appointment starts that can be booked. For example, select 4 hours or other, for example 2 hours, 3 hours, more or less. Then we have booked appointment settings. So here we have managed to book appointments that will appear on your calendar. For example, buffer time, add time between appointment slots. For example, select if it's 30 minutes or more, or you can just select less. Then here we have maximum bookings per day, limit how many booked appointments to accept in a single day. For example, if it's 4, 5 per day. Then we have guest permissions. Here we have guests can invite others. After booking an appointment, guests can modify the calendar event to invite others. Then we have here the option of calendars. You can select, for example, the color of event, and you select here check calendars for availability. Bookable times will not be available during any events created or accepted on the calendar. Then you click over next. Alright, so this is it for creating an event, task, appointment, and schedule. Then here we have, if you want to search for people, here we have my calendars as well. For example, birthdays, tasks. We have other calendars, for example, holidays and Morocco. And here we have the option if you want to get add-ons, if you want also maps, if you want to contact, and we have here tasks as well. You can just click over here and you add a task with the title. You select if it's today, tomorrow, or you can just select which day. All right. Then we have other option that's very important. For example, if you have something to do list for this day, you can just click over here and you write the note, and you select also the day and you click over down. You can also put it a pin note, and also we have here menu. For example, if you want to archive, if you want to delete, so this is important. Also we have here open a new tab if you want also search, and this is it for the notes. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead. See you again in the next video.